Hey guys, Solo here. This is going to be part 1 of 3 for the DEEBOT N79W robot vacuum. In this video, we're going to be unboxing only, and part 2 and 3 will show the modes and also the remotes. So please go ahead and check those out. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. If you guys want to see more content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel or hit that notification bell to get notified when I drop new content. Thanks again for watching.